Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to register your SIM cards. Let's start. Open your Chrome first and search Globe SIM registration. 10 Smart Globe SIM registration. I'll choose the second one. Click I accept. Here, type your mobile number. Starts with 9 just for example. And click register. Wait Mo Young code mass and saw number. Mo then type Mo Diane. Wait. Detail name and fill up Mo Young information. Mo. Type your name, surname, middle name, age, birthday, etc. Make sure na tama lahat ang ilalagay mo. Pag hindi mo alam ang zip code ang lugar niyo pwede mo isearch sa Chrome para sure. Pagtapos click mo lang yung yes. Dito maglalagay na ang id mo. Click upload or take a picture. So ako pa-picturein ko ng outfit ko. Then click it type and choose Mo Young. Type ang id mo may choices name and Diane. Pag school it click Mo Lang Young other ID. Check Mo Young number side Mo. Then lagay Mo sa ID number. Since di nag-upload yung unicorn picture, sa idulitin ko lang. Habang nag-loading pwede mo na pindutin yung take a selfie, hindi mo na need mag-selfie pwede na rin yung id mo picturein mo. Loading. Ayan, then click next. Click Mo Young box, then submit. Done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to register your SIM cards.